Ethemes is a great website with tons and tons of resources. It is created by the University of Missouri, your source for content-rich and kid-safe online resources, which is great because if you go out to Google, you never know what you're going to hit and miss. You can use this, have your students research sites on this, or use it to find great resources for yourself. There's a few different ways to find your e-theme. You can first of all click in a topic, let's just say animals, and click search. It'll show you the search results, animals, and the blue link is the e-theme. It's not just one link when you search this way. So if I'm looking for animals grades 1, 2, 3, and 4, this would be better than animal rights 6, 7, 8. And you can continue on. Animals, jungle animals 3 and 4, animals migration grades 2 and 3, and maybe I'm looking for jungle animals. It brings me to the e-theme page about jungle animals, and it tells you these sites provide information on the environment, habitat, characteristics, geography, and types of animals found in the jungle. These are links to eThemes resources on rainforest and forest habitats and what grades they cover. Here's where you find the actual link, and it gives you a little idea about what the link is. This site provides another explanation about the difference between a jungle and a rainforest. This is learn about structures in jungles, various habitats, choose virtual jungle to explore interactively. The talk link leads to a discussion board, so they give you a nice explanation about if it's just going to be a place for reading or if there is some interactivity. That's one way to search. You can also search new and updated, which basically means new themes for this week or possibly ones that they have just updated. You can also search by alphabetical order, which makes it kind of difficult, especially if you're looking for grade level specifics, because as you can see, they don't denote any kind of grade levels on the first link, so you'd have to click on Africa and then look through and see what grades the things apply to. I find the by grade link to be very, very useful, most useful. So if you pick by grade, you've got grade 1, and you've got all the different topics. Yes, they're in alphabetical order, and there's a lot to go through. You can see. So if you're looking for an author study, links grade 1, 2, 3, and 4. Find out about children's author Robert Munsch. Read interviews, online activities, classroom activities, discussion questions, and then you can go through and see the different choices. The calendar link is also kind of fun because it will have a link to a website that has something to do with what's happening today. So for example, today is January 11th, 2010. Amelia Earhart completed a solo flight. Now you're never quite sure what it's going to be because it's just one link to one specific site, and this is grades 3 through 12. But the good thing about this link is you can go back in time, because if you want to find something that might be more age appropriate, and look in past years and then just see what they have for January. See, they have it again, Amelia Earhart. So sometimes maybe it's the same, maybe they have something different, but you can always check the back pages. Pretty easy to use, huh?